how to export effect presets in Premiere Pro. For example, you apply some adjustment to your talking head video. Maybe you are daily vlogger or YouTuber or video editor and you have make different presets for different colors shirt. If you spend 12 or 24 hours on one video editing and you make daily, second day if you again come back and again if you will spend 24 hours, I think you will be exposed, you will be bored. So rather than what you can do, you can make presets and export them for a backup. In case if your windows fail, unfortunately if your windows problems occur, you can export them back again when you install new window and then install Premiere Pro. I have applied some lumetri adjustment to my talking head video, as you can see. You can also apply them. Just go to effects panel and search for lumetri color and simply apply the lumetri color and then make changes according to your desires. Once you are done with it, simply select all one by one. First of all, select first one, then press the control key, select second one, and then select all one by one. Right click on that, then save presets. Give the name whatever you want. For example, I give red one and hit the OK. In the effects panel, expand the presets and you can see this red one. Now what you can do with it? Now it is just created and saved into your Premiere Pro. Unfortunately, if your windows fail or any problem occur and you install new window, it will be wasted because it is saved on C drive. What you can do? You can export it into your another drive except from the C drive. Come here, select any preset that you want to export in your drive. Right click, then click on export presets. Define the location wherever you want to save it. Give the name, for example I give the name that red one and hit the save button. If I delete these presets from here, now my friend, if I came here, right click on that and delete this preset from here. So now you can see it have been deleted. Now how to import it back again? If any case, if your windows fail, then you install new fresh window or whatever case, simply come here in the preset panel, right click on any preset and click on import preset. Go to location and select this preset, click on this open. And you can see, my friend, this red one have imported successfully. And in this way, my friend, you can save the backup of your presets in Premiere Pro. If you work on a video for 12 to 24 hours to edit, so you will don't waste your time again and again on the same t-shirt color. You can make different presets for your different colors t-shirt. For example, I'm wearing red now, as you can see. It is not red, it is basically magenta-ish, purplish and magenta. I have made different presets for my different colors t-shirts that I know I use. And in future, if I have a new color t-shirt, I can make changes according to that shirt's color. And not just that, my friend, there is one more benefit of that. You can share it to another computer. If you have another computer or your friend's computer, you can save it to another drive in USB flash or hard drive. I hope you enjoy this video and it helps to you, and if it did, so consider to subscribe and not just to subscribe. Ring the bell that you, my friend, can don't miss out any other feature, tips, tricks or tutorials. So meet in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.